What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So Silk Sonic has released a live version of Fly As Me, and I wanted to take a look. Let's check it out in 3, 2, 1. With the Soul Train background. Cool. I love the bass line in this song. So much funk. The funny thing is, when we first heard this song, because we did an album reaction when it first came out, the one thing I was saying that it was missing was a music video, because a lot of the, not the soul, but a lot of the fun of this band comes through the visuals. So you see the Soul Train background, all the musicians, they're all dressed the same. They have that Motown feeling going on. So I'm glad they did this. Let's take a look. I love hearing Anderson .Paak rap. Their dancing is always spot on too.
Okay, now Silk Sonic's move like a Mac, float like a butterfly on every single track. And the only language that I speak, girl, is.
I just realized that this was live at the BET Soul Train Awards. I assume that even the crowd here, this must be a whole part of a stage, because I just noticed that the crowd is even dressed in like 70s attire. Afros, silk shirts, the dresses with the sequins on them. They all look like they're dressed for the Soul Train. Or it's a theme that people just come dressed up to the awards. It's amazing how much they sound like the album live too. Sometimes you hear bands and they don't sound good live. Dude, Silk Sonic sounds fantastic, if not better live. They still got the soul. They still amazing musicians and vocalists. It's fantastic. With somebody as fly as me, somebody this fly. I like that. The drummer looks like Bruno. Somebody in the comments last time said the drummer was Bruno's brother, which I didn't know, or said it could be his brother. They look identical. It might even be. This is such a great breakdown, great interlude in this song. Crowd's into it too. It's rad. Woo. That dude gets up there, man. That is a high note. Silk Sonic, let me get a 3-piece and a biscuit. They sound fantastic, man. This is I'm glad that they did this song, because it's a newer song off the album. But I love that they do these live, and I hope they start releasing everything that they do live back on YouTube, because it just lends to the aesthetic of the music. Their whole vibe comes from a time of past. It was before my time. I just grew up, with a household full of Motown, full of old music, Stevie Wonder, the Jackson 5. I grew up on all that stuff, so it makes me nostalgic too from when I was young. It just lends to the aesthetic, man. Silk Sonic never misses. That's it. I wanted to check the video out with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys are new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that sub button, give me a thumbs up, and let me know you like the video. And we'll see you on the next one. See you guys. Peace.